Communication skills. Effective communication is essential in the world of work, and good communication works in two ways: the ability to listen and the ability to speak. Here is an introduction to the 7 C's of communication for you to help develop your skills. 7 C's of communication: clarity, complete, correct, concise, consideration, courteous, concrete. 1. Clarity. Remember to be clear about your message and ask yourself, what is the purpose of communicating with this person? Focus on the essential points of your message. 2. Correct. The information, language and grammar you use must always be correct. Remember to check your language and spelling. You don't want to give your audience the wrong impression. Always read over your work. 3. Complete. It is important to give the audience all the information they need to follow, understand your direction, and come to the same conclusions. Do not leave any scope for assumptions or questions. 4. Concise. When communicating verbally or in writing, it is essential to keep your message short and simple. Keep to the point and try to avoid long sentences. 5. Consideration. To communicate effectively, you need to acknowledge and consider your audience's views. Ensure you get to know your target audience before you speak or write, and make sure they will understand you. 6. Courteous. Being polite and showing that you respect others is very important when communicating. Your messages should be friendly, professional, considerate, and honest. 7. Concrete. Your communication should be concrete, meaning that the message should be clear and specific. Always present the facts and figures clearly so that the audience will understand your message. For further support, please contact us. post@profi.cymru, @cynllunprofi. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.